now.
This dance is DNA, choreographed by Tim Johnson, Jose Miguel Balocchivani and Jean-Pierre Mage. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, walk forward, right, left, quarter turn left, side touch, hold. Now facing 9, quarter turn left, side touch, hold. Now facing 6, to back right diagonal, back touch, to back left diagonal, back touch. Section 2, rock right back, recover, triple a half, turn left, quarter turn left, stepping left to side and pointing right to side. Now facing 9, quarter turn right, stepping on right and keeping weight on right. Make a half turn right, hitching left. Section 3, back, left, right, swivel left heel, out, in. Back on left, swivel right heel, out, in, right. Coaster, cross and cross. Last section. Quarter turn left, stepping left forward. Half turn left, stepping right, back, left, sailor step, step right forward. Rock forward and push hips forward. Rock back and push hips back. Rock forward and push hips forward. Step forward on left, flicking right behind. This is the end of the dance. I'm facing 9, weights on my left, and I start over with the walk, walk, side touch, side touch. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, hold 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a restart with a step change on wall 5. You do 15 counts. Wall 5 starts facing 12, so let's do 15 counts. 1, 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, hold 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the end of 15 counts. I'm facing 12. Here's the step change. It's the last count of the dance. Step forward on left, flipping right behind. And you restart the dance facing 12 o'clock with the walk, walk, side touch, side touch. And that's the whole dance.